Okay, welcome back to RamZland. Today we want to sublimate carbon dioxide gas into dry ice. And I'm here with Mia, and she's got a balloon attached to a flask over a vat of liquid nitrogen. Mia, lower the balloon. One of our essential questions in this lab is, what happens to the balloon? Why does it act the way it does? So go ahead and put a little pressure on there. That's good. And we want to see what happens to that balloon after it's in the liquid nitrogen for a while. Let's get it right. Yeah, that's good. Right in it. So you can see the liquid nitrogen at the bottom. If I blow on it, you can see it. And right away, you should start seeing the balloon begins to change. So is the balloon getting smaller?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to know there's no leak in the balloon. The balloon doesn't have any holes in it. So one question is, why does the balloon get smaller? And the other question is, why does the balloon inflate by itself? And what is it that you see in that flask at the end of this? So keep pressure on it there. Want it to get really flat. You can see the liquid nitrogen on the side. And you see that balloon, almost all the carbon dioxide molecules in that balloon have condensed. Okay, all right, now, Mia, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it upright. Yep, turn it upright. So whatever's in that balloon can go down into the flask. Look what's in the flask, you guys. Look at the bottom of the flask. What is that? Right, that's carbon dioxide, but it's sublimated back into... Yeah, and now look at the balloon. It's inflating all by itself. Take a look at the dry ice chunks down inside the flask. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Now, Mia, what's going to happen to those chunks? They're going to evaporate, right? Yeah. All those chunks. Do you see the chunks?
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah, you're touching one. Mm-hmm. See that? Okay, now touch the flask. Is it cold? It should be really cold. Jemiah, touch the flask. Isn't that crazy? Okay, now Denijah, do you still, there's still a piece of dry ice in there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Feel it. Denijah, feel the, is it cold? And look at our balloon, it's fully inflated. All of the carbon dioxide in the balloon was condensed, and you saw it in the flask. Did the balloon really inflate itself, or did the carbon dioxide simply expand?
Carbon dioxide simply expanded.
It expanded back into a gas. 6th graders sublimating CO2 with liquid nitrogen. Pretty cool.